Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. How to fix that. So first of all, you have to make sure that your Snapchat is updated to the latest version. To update your Snapchat, all you have to do is open your Play Store or App Store on your phone and type in for Snapchat. Click on Snapchat and check if any update is available. If there is any update available, you will see an update button just right here. So if you're updated to the latest version and your problem hasn't been fixed, then all you can do is try clearing the cache of Snapchat. All you have to do is open Snapchat. From here, you have to click on your profile icon, go to settings, scroll down just a bit. In the account actions, you will see clear cache. You have to click on continue and clear the cache of Snapchat. If this also doesn't work for you, all you can do is try uninstalling and reinstalling the Snapchat application. Uninstall the application from here, click on OK, and download the application from the App Store or Play Store once again. If all of the methods fail for you, then the last option is you can try logging in your Snapchat account into another device, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.